Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, and I'm excited to share another Divi tutorial with you. My goal here is to make learning Divi as straightforward as possible. Prepare to be mildly informed, possibly with some yawning. Today we're going to be looking at how to change the Divi logo. The Divi offers many places where you can actually place the logo, which is on the side. And they also have an option where you can place it in the center. You can have it at the menu on either side of the logo or the menu beneath it. So we just want to run through a few of the ways that you can actually change this logo in Divi. So the first one I want to draw your attention to is in theme options. So if you go into the WordPress dashboard and you go to Divi, theme options, general, you'll see that here, right over here is an option to upload a logo. So if we upload this logo, you scroll to it just like you'd add any media and you set it as a logo. Now, once it's set as a logo here, you save changes, you go back into your front end and you refresh, you'll see there it shows. So the beautiful part about doing it here is that it's set dynamically. So that means that it'll be right across your entire website, one shot, it's done. And it also has already the link to go back to your homepage. So if I click on this logo, it'll take me back to the homepage. So the homepage is not set as a homepage, it's just showing me the collection of blog posts, and that is why it's displaying like this. Alright, so that's the very first place that you can change it. The next place that you can do, let's just reset that, save changes, get our old one back. Alright, so it's Divi. The next place that you can do this is in the theme builder. So in the theme builder is also go into your WordPress dashboard, Divi, theme builder, and then you have the options here to build your parts of your website. So the first one is the add a global header. So why do we want to add a global header? Because if you add a global header, it'll lie across your entire website. You have other options that you can that you can build, and then you can have ones that are on specific pages, only on your home page, and so on and so on. So you can break it up as you go along. But for now, we only want to look at the global header. So if I click on this and I click on global header, I'm then presented with our usual building style. So I have the section, I can then add in a row. So let's add in a row over here. And once here, I want to put my logo. All I do is I just go and I add an image module. All right. Just like what we do every other time. We select it, we upload the image. So it's in there now. The only difference now we have to do is the link. We need to put the link so that if anybody clicks on this image, where is it going to take me? Well, here I tell it where, and it's going to take me to the home page. Okay, so that's good. Now what we want to do is, because if we save it like this, let me show you what happens. Save, and we just save here as well. And we jump into the front page. You see there's the logo, and we refresh, and what? The logo's gone. Well, actually not. All that's happened is it's moved up. All right, because remember when we were busy building it over here, you can see there's a lot of padding on either side of each. So if we go and we say, okay, on this one, let's take away all padding at the top, all padding at the bottom, and we save that, and we save it again. We go to the front end. There it looks similar to how we started with. All right, so what we're getting at is that while theme options is the easiest way to do this, right? If you just go and you add in the logo over here or change the logo, you are restricted to the spaces that Divi has already set for the logo. When you use the theme builder, you have full customizability as to how you want your header to look. I do have a tutorial on how to build a custom header, and if I figure out how to, I'll try and link it in one of the things at the top. Otherwise it'll be in the description below, where you can see how to build a custom header. All right, so that's the other space that you can do, and there you have it. So that's how you can easily change your logo on a Divi website. I hope this tutorial has been beneficial for you, and if it has, please do hit that like button to let me know. To catch more Divi tutorials as they come out, do make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting a lot more tutorials as I learn more about Divi. Your feedback is valuable, so do leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.